Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just gave it a tune-up. It was broken because it was leaking and the pressure gauge was only working when it was using the blind filter. So we end up cleaning everything inside the shower head, make sure there's not any coffee beans or anything. And we have the machine right now open completely, so we're gonna be able to test it and be able to see. I mean, we didn't really define anything that was leaking or anything that would give us that the machine is been leaking or anything like that. So yeah, we haven't really found any issues like that. We did found that this microswitch, the one that you see right here, was not really providing a good connection, and it was actually making the machine to think that the steamer, the steamer was being activated when it was not. So the switch was a little bit faulty. We had to replace that one as well. This one right here, for the green one that you see. It's the same switch, it's just a different color of the case. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the references of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. So I'm gonna do a double. Perfect. A little bit on the finer side. As you can see, it's barely dripping. I should have tampered a bit less harder than I did. But you can see the machine is able to keep up. Staying on the pressure range, pressurizing properly. As I said before, the shot is going to be on the lower side, but still going to be able to extract. Perfect. Excellent crema. Now the machine. Looking great. Looking really good. As for the bottom of the machine, you can see the nice the shower screen. The gasket, the new gasket is removed, and as you can see, that's the excellent flow coming out of the machine. And pressure gauge goes all the way up. And this job is double check for any kind of leaks. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. No the hoses, thermoblock, or anything like that. Looking great. Now let's take the hot water. Hot water is dispenser. This through the coil in the battery through right here, so it's going around here and going to this hole and coming out through there. And as you can see, a nice glow. And now for the switch that we replaced, which is the steamer one, it's going to take a little bit for the machine to get the temperature and the water pump to start pulsating, so we can start seeing some coming out there. You can see the machine is now spinning, starting to get that pressure. And this is good. Working pressure is fine, excellent pressure. As you can see, I'm going to rinse it off and check again. And this is well, no leaks. Oh, need to mess with the coffee. Oh no, I just dropped the coffee. No leaks behind the machine. Except for the mess that I just did. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to more content this every day, and thanks for watching.